And we are back in the kitchen, but today we're not in the kitchen yet again. We are at the South African Navy Festival, enjoying the sun, having a look at all of the activities out here in Simonstown. It's quite full, and we've got the family out here with us. Hello, my love. Are you having fun at the Navy Festival so far?
Not really, because I want more food.
Tell us again.
Not really, because I want food.
We've got Rashana here. Okay, she's camera shy. They've been crying to be on the camera. Hello, Lila.
Hello.
Lila, what do you have for lunch? Let's have a look.
I have chips. And
Chips from Chip and Dip. But that chips is done. And we've got Tegan and Aiden, the terrible twins. What's happening, guys?
making.
Are you messing? No, you must talk. That's a mic. You must talk to it.
Hello.
No, don't. And our awesome babysitter, Melissa. Hi, Melissa. Tegan doesn't want to talk. And the leader of the pack, Big B. What do you want to tell us? What do you have for lunch there?
Chips with sauce.
Chips with sauce. Okay. Tegan, Aiden, what do you have for lunch? Whoa.
What happened, Daddy?
Gunshots. They're shooting the guns. They're showing us what they do in the Navy. Okay, but you need to give me the mic now. What are you having for lunch? What's happening in the kitchen today?
So I first want to cook sisters, and then the front looks like it's a butter chicken salami.
Oh, butter chicken salami. So what are you thinking?
I want to go further down. Can I go further down?
Let's have a look further down. Let's have a look at what other options we have.
But I want the cook sisters.
We'll get the Cook Sisters. So we've got some boerewors rolls here. We've got some slush puppies. All sorts of things on sale here at the South African Navy Festival today. Sunday afternoon. I think it's like 2 hours left of this event. Oh, they've got some waffles. This looks amazing. Sticky waffle, Belgian waffle, bubble waffle. Oh, that looks good. That looks so good. Different toppings. Looks amazing. Looks incredible. What's your question? Ask your question.
How do they get the boats into the water when it's on the I don't know what it's called.
It's called a dry dock. So how do you think they get the boats in the water again? So here's a question. The question Bryden asked is, with the boat that's on the dry dock, how do you think they get it back in the water?
I don't actually. How do they get it back on here? Like,
How do they get it back in the water?
back in the water. Oh. Does it not wheels? Does it not
Move it forward on the wheels.
Yes, I don't know how to take it off.
To be honest, I'm not 100% sure myself. That is something that we'll probably need to ask. We'll need to ask someone today. Let's see if we can, see if we can find somebody that maybe can help us answer that question. Say hi to the Uncle Aiden. Okay, I think let's move further down towards the food. Which corn dogs do you have? Is it just the classic? Full cheese. What does full cheese mean?
Just cheese. Okay, I want to do is a half cheese. Is a half cheese off Vienna? Yes. Yes. And then which ones do you guys have? Is it the classic coating only?
No, we have classic coating with chips and chips. There's no spicy coating available.
Oh, okay. No chips, eh? No, just the dog. Vienna and cheese.
Doesn't know
Got
or
an
looks like
amazing
doesn't know where
cheese
to go.
Vienna corn dog.
Can we please
Any thoughts there,
take
my love?
them to the information
I can only
center
speak about the presentation. I can't speak about the taste,
next
but
to
it
the
looks
arena?
good.
Looks good, looks good.
This
Let's have a bite.
also goes to the
Give it a go.
public. If you see a child or children that are alone and looks like they don't know where to go, can we please take them to the information center? The information center is a wide
Spicy.
container next to the arena area. Thank
Good.
you.
Let me have a go. Let me have a go there, my love. Hold the box food. We've got a lovely burger and fries. That'll be my lunch today. Let's have a look at this patty. Looks nice and saucy, it looks good. Definitely keen to give this a try. That's good. That's a very, very good burger. So we've got some waffle bites. Have a look at this. This is incredible. I've had many a waffle in my day, but this one is by far one of the best. They've got some Oreo, looks like Oreo brownie sprinkled over it, some chocolate ice cream, and just the way this is prepared is just phenomenal. Such a good waffle. Let's give it another try. I've had one already, but I'm gonna have another one just for the sake of it. Perfect. So good. You wanna try some, my love?
Yeah. Where's the kids? Andrew. Oh, yes, Andrew. So
Tell us
good.
about that taste, babe.
No, it just melts in your mouth. I've had some earlier.
To die for.
Give it a review.
Tell us what you think of these waffle bites. Good. Bryden, do you want to try one of these waffle bites?
Sean, Bryden, waffle bite for the review.
Tell us what you think.
Because we were busy cooking. We must just wait.
It's good.
Good. Lila, one last review.
Okay.
Tell us what you think of these waffle bites.
That's good.
Clearly, we've got one personality that's made for the camera. Tegan is not interested in trying a review. Aiden, do you want to try a waffle bite? Come try one for the camera.
One for the camera. Take one.
Tell the subscribers what you think. Tell the subscribers, is it good? You gotta eat it. You gotta eat it. You gotta eat it and tell us what you think, okay? Okay, let's go. Eat it. Pick it up. There we go. And how does that taste, Aiden? Is it good? You must talk. You must say, is it good? Is it good? Yes, is it good?
Can you see, Omar? You don't want it? Come. Come, let's go. Betty.
And that brings us to the end of our re-entry of the Navy Festival. It's been a couple of years since they've had one. Some good memories. My love, any thoughts? How did you find this Navy Festival?
It was good. It was good. It's just very packed and busy, so having all the kids can be overwhelming. But it was nice. It was cool.
Yeah, running around with all these kids was quite the story. But the food was good. The place was packed. Some of the activities that we got to see was quite cool. Really brought back some good memories. Unfortunately, we never got to go on any of the ships. We got here just a little bit too late, and those lines were just way too long. And now we're trying to skip traffic on our way home. So overall, a good experience. Good to be back. We'll definitely return next year and definitely get here a lot earlier. That's it from us. Have a fantastic week ahead.